Rolflex is proud to present one of our latest projects, Porsche Centrum Twente. At this prestigious facility, every detail matters. In the new car delivery booths, the focus is on the cars. That is why Porsche Centrum Twente selected the sleek and unobtrusive compact doors by Rolflex. These doors fold neatly into the ceiling, creating a seamless look while ensuring that the vehicles are the true center of attention. Even in the parking garage, the compact sectional doors enhance functionality. In the workshop, space and design freedom are essential. The compact door's unique folding system allows for maximum use of ceiling space, leaving room for installations and optimal lighting. Efficiency and elegance, all in one solution.